If when you're uploading your videos to Instagram and TikTok, they are looking like this, not the greatest quality, basically looks out of focus, pixely, whatever it may be, and you want them to look like this, very high quality, crisp, clear, easy to see, sound is also high quality. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that, how to fix this. It's very simple, very easy, and very straightforward. So let's get into it. Before I get into the video, I wanna mention I do have a 100% free Discord group that is all about talking about Instagram videos, Instagram Reels, TikToks, how to edit them. We do edit critiques. You can post your setups, your desk setups, all that kind of stuff. It's a great community. You can click the first link in the description down below. It'll take you to that community. It's 100% free. I'm in there. If you have any questions about editing, I'll answer any of them. Okay, so I want to get that out of the way. If you want to join the Discord, link is in the description. So let's talk about what I want to talk about in this video today, which is uploading high quality, very crisp, very clear videos to Instagram and to TikTok. So the first thing I'm going to start is in my exporting area, how I export my videos out of Adobe Premiere Pro. And don't worry if you don't have Adobe Premiere Pro, if you're using CapCut or something like that, they already export in like 4K, but if you're editing on your computer, whether it be Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, whatever, DaVinci, whatever you're using to edit your videos, you wanna make sure you're exporting them in the highest possible quality. So this is how I do it in Adobe. So let's jump into my computer. I'll show you exactly how it works. So you can see on screen here, I do have an edit that I've recently edited. It's a video here. If you're familiar with Adobe, this is how it works. I'm not gonna show you the ins and outs of Adobe right now, but once you have the edit done, all I'm gonna do is make sure I have my ins and outs selected. You can see this is the area that I wanna export. I'm gonna go up here to File. I'm going to go down to Export and click Media. You can do Command M if you want, but I'll just show you the slower route. And the next thing you're gonna do is go like this. So make sure your custom preset up here is set to. This is something that I do. I don't really know if Adobe already is gonna do this by default. But what I wanna show you is what I do every single time, just because maybe I'm OCD. I wanna make sure it's gonna export in 4K. I go down and I select this high quality 4K 2160p option. So I'll click that. It's gonna make it a horizontal video. So the next thing I'm gonna do is go match source. And we might be at the beginning, I'm not 100% sure, but from my experience, whenever I export things without doing that 4K, it always uploads terrible to Instagram and TikTok. So I wanna make sure I do that. After that, I'm gonna click export and it's gonna export it to my desktop. Okay, so I'm not gonna do this right now because I've already done this. I have this phone or this video on my phone already. So next step, in order to keep the quality, make sure it's the highest possible quality, you want to make sure you're not taking the video from your desktop or wherever you export it to and like texting it to yourself or sending it by email. This is going to cause the quality to absolutely tank. The things that I suggest doing is either uploading that video to a Google Drive folder and then uploading it there, and then going on your phone, going on Google Drive and downloading it from that so you have a high quality video. It just retains the quality that way. Or you could upload it to iCloud Drive or whatever, create an iCloud link out of it, send it to your phone, and then download from that iCloud link. Or what I do, I usually just go and I'll pretend this is the video here. I don't have it on my desktop. Right click, I'm gonna go share. I'm gonna go airdrop. And I will airdrop the video to myself, right? I'd click Dane Macbeth, airdrop it, and that is gonna retain the quality as well. So once you've airdropped it to your phone, the next step is obviously uploading that video to Instagram and to TikTok. So let me show you the process that I go through in order to make sure that it is the highest possible quality when uploading it to both platforms. So we are in my phone here. As you can see, I am screen recording. And let's go to Instagram first. I'll show you exactly the process that I take in order to do this through Instagram. So let's go on to Instagram. And if I'm gonna upload a reel, before I do that, I wanna make sure I have this one thing checked. It's as simple as this one button to make sure that you're having high quality uploads on your Instagram, okay? So go to your profile thing, bottom right here, I click bottom right, and you're gonna wanna go to the two lines up top right here, click settings, go to account, and go to data usage. And these two buttons right here are absolutely crucial when it comes to uploading high quality videos and Instagram Reels, whatever you're doing on Instagram. So by default, it's gonna have this one unchecked, this high quality uploads, and it's gonna have use less cellular data checked. Make sure that is turned off and make sure high quality uploads, you can see upload higher quality videos on cellular or Wi-Fi. Additional processing time may be required due to larger file size. That's obviously completely fine. We want these things to be as high quality as possible. So I'm gonna turn that on. Make sure that toggles on blue like that. Go back to my homepage and I'm gonna press the plus. I'm gonna go reel. I'm gonna swipe up from the bottom. I'm gonna choose my video. Before you go ahead to the uploading process, this is one trick that I've learned. I don't know if it's actually a thing, but this seems to work every single time. Even though I turn on that high quality function like I just showed you, sometimes it'll still upload in terrible quality. Okay, I don't know why, but Instagram seems a bit glitchy. So one thing I highly recommend you do is once you load the video up like this, I'll do it again just to show you. So click the video, let it play through in its entirety in this screen. Do not click add or skip ahead. Let it play through its entirety. So I'm gonna wait the 8 seconds, whatever it is right there. Okay, I'm gonna go add now because it's played through the entire video. You can see me. I'm gonna click next. And this is kind of the fuzzy, blurry thing that a lot of people see is on this next screen here. You can ignore that, it's not gonna happen. Click next. Write your caption, whatever you're gonna do. Rename your audio, whatever you gotta do. Click make your cover and click upload. And by following those steps on Instagram, I'll show you the TikTok ones in a second, but by following those steps on Instagram, that, from what I've experimented with out of the hundreds of videos I've uploaded on to Instagram, that's gonna get your video uploaded in the highest possible quality, is by doing upload or exporting from 4K on the computer, airdropping to your phone, making sure high quality uploads are checked on, clicking the video once you upload it to Reels. Don't skip ahead until it plays through, then click add and then go and upload the video. That seems to get me a high quality upload every single time. So let's move on to TikTok now, right? So I'll click TikTok, go to your profile. There's nothing really you need to check from your profile in order to upload high quality on TikTok like you do on Instagram. It's actually in the upload feature itself. So let's go to the bottom here, I'll click the plus, click the video that I want to upload, click next. And again, I'm gonna let it load through and I'm gonna let it play through its entirety. And by default, TikTok does this stupid thing and they put on this enhanced filter. I'm gonna turn that off. So again, I'm gonna let it play through the entire video. Just sit here and wait. So now it's played through the entire video. I'll click next. So now we're on the upload screen. You can put your caption in, tag people, whatever you want to do, select your cover. But the most important thing before you upload that TikTok onto TikTok is click more options. And then this second option right here, allow high quality uploads. Check that on. All right. Once that's checked on, you can leave and you can post your TikTok onto TikTok. It's as simple as that. And those simple steps, okay? Going from your computer, airdrop, make sure it's exported in 4K, airdropping it to your phone, turning on high quality uploads on Instagram, letting it play through in its entirety, and then publishing it on Instagram. And then for TikTok, again, make sure you go on the app, click the video, let it play through in its entirety, then click next, and then turn on high quality uploads, and it'll upload in crisp quality, unlike it does all the other times. Both apps are kind of glitchy, so if this doesn't work for you the first time, try it a few times and it will work eventually. This is what's working for me right now, and it's what's worked for me in the past when I upload tons of videos. And you can see on my account here, if you want to follow it, it's at Dane Macbeth. I think I have over 200 videos that I've posted on there now. So I've done it a few times and I've learned what gives you the high quality uploads and what doesn't. So if you enjoyed this video, before you leave, I do appreciate if you click subscribe, click the like button, helps with the algorithm, obviously, gets the video out there to more people who want to learn how to get their videos uploaded on Instagram and TikTok in high quality. So anyways, guys, that's it for this one. Again, if you want to join that Discord, it's the first link in the description down below. You can ask any questions you might have about editing. You can put your edits in there. I'll critique them. Other people will critique them. It's a very supportive community. So again, click that link in the description if you want to join the Discord. And that's it for today's video. Try to make new videos about editing, all these kinds of things, Instagram stuff, Instagram growth, TikTok growth on this channel. Try to post a few videos per month. So if you like that kind of thing, again, make sure you subscribe, drop a like on it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.